Healthy and restorative sleep allows people to regenerate and acts as a source of energy. The SL70 snore stopper from Beurer helps you and your partner fall asleep, sleep through the night, and have an active start to the day. Here are some tips for using the SL70 snore stopper. Charge the device for at least 3 hours before the first use. Download the free Beurer Sleep Quiet app from the App Store or from Google Play. Then connect the snore stopper to the app. Press and hold the on-off button on the snore stopper for 3 seconds until the operation light lights up. Select the correct earplug size for optimum fit. Attach the snore stopper to your ear. Turn the earplug so the opening faces the direction of the ear canal. You can now lie down to sleep as normal. Activate Bluetooth on your smartphone to transfer the recorded data to the Beurer Sleep Quiet app. Press the on-off button on the device for 3 seconds to turn it off after getting up. A short vibration confirms that the snore stopper has been successfully switched off. Please pay attention to the instructions for use and safety notes. Healthy sleep is more important for us than ever. Fall asleep, sleep through, and start the day better with the SL70 snore stopper from Beurer.